Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Liberty Mutual for policy management, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Liberty Mutual for policy management, start by navigating to the Liberty Mutual official website. On the home page, locate and click on the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. You'll be directed to the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through the email you provided. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you may receive a security code via text or email. Enter the security code in the appropriate field and continue. After successful authentication, you will gain access to your policy management dashboard. Here, you can view your policies, make payments, and manage your account settings. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up or Register option instead. Provide the necessary personal information as prompted, including your name, email, and policy number. Create a password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After filling in all required fields, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link to activate your new account. Click the link to finalize your registration. Return to the login page and enter your new credentials to access your policy management. Now you can navigate through your policy details and manage your account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.